I made 3 ingredients chicken and it turned out amazing. I ate it with noodles, one of the best lunch ever. This is simple meal with simple ingredients. First let's see how to make 3 ingredients chicken. On a pan add the chicken, and sauté until it turns to golden, then add sweet chili sauce and spicy Korean sauce. When sweet meets spicy, that was the best combo ever. Next let's see how to make the noodles. First add the white part of spring onion, garlic, onion, green chilies, and spring onion, sauté for a minute, and add the chili flakes, chicken stock powder, soy sauce and oyster sauce, sauté and add the cooked noodles, give a good stir. Stir until everything well combined. Now it's ready to serve. Eat this with noodles, chicken and runny side egg, one of the best combo ever. When you poke the egg and eat the noodles and chicken together, yeah, it will be the best food ever. When I was editing this, I literally craving to eat this again. This is my favorite meal. It's simple, cheap, and delicious. It literally took me 10 minutes to make this. Now you still look for restaurant for a meal means, then you should have other reason. When you cook a meal, you know what are the ingredients that included into the dish. Staying healthy is simple and cheap, the choice is yours. Cooking is fun, don't stress to cook, rather plan your meal the day before or you can prep your meal. While we are talking, I finished cooking this recipe. This recipe need simple ingredients, but it turned out amazing taste. The viral bread recipe, it's just the simple cutting technique and it was delicious by adding egg in the middle. I added simple seasonings, but it was so good with runny side egg. Let's see how to cut the bread. You have to cut the 4 sides of the bread correctly. Just patiently cut the bread. If you cut wrongly means doesn't matter. You try again, but don't throw away the bread, rather eat the bread with a cup of coffee. Once you cut the bread on the 4 edges, then fold the bread like this. It just simple step to try. Now, the bread looked like a flower. It was pretty and cute when I made. It's cute right? Then in the middle of the bread crack an egg and season with salt and pepper. It was simple and delicious to eat. I hope you try this wonderful recipe. If you are looking for a cute and delicious breakfast, there you go. This is the best breakfast or snack. I really hope you try this simple and delicious meal. You never know the taste of the food until you try the food by yourself. I will say that this simple ingredients made this bread out of this world. Look how creamy is this bread. Today we are going to make simple and delicious meal for lunch. Anyone can cook this recipe. You only need few ingredients to make. For the taste, it's amazing. On a pan, add some chopped garlic, sauté until the aroma arise, then add some chopped onion and red chili, sauté again for a minute, then add minced chicken, stir until the chicken perfectly cooked. Now add some soy sauce, then add some red chili paste. Stir for a minute and set it aside. Let's fry 2 eggs. For the egg, seasoned with pepper and salt. Scramble the egg as I'm doing. See how simple the recipe is. I tried this meal and it turned out so good. I really like this meal. It's spicy and savory. One tip, make sure the egg is soft. When you eat this, place the egg first, then on the top of it, place the chicken stir fry. It will taste amazing. I hope you try this. Happy cooking. Next dish is I made with sausage. It called as octopus sausage. It's just I cut into octopus shape. First sauté chopped garlic and onion for a minute, then add some sausages. Sauté again. You can see the legs of the octopuses start to expand. Now add oyster sauce and soy sauce. Sauté for a minute, then add some chili paste and sauté again. The shape and taste was amazing. I repeated the simple recipe on the next day. Lastly, I have added chopped red chilies and spring onion. Give a final stir, then it's ready. You can eat this with rice or just like this as a snack, because it wasn't salty and it was amazing. Next dish is for busy people and don't want to spend money on takeouts. So I made this 10 minutes recipe. This recipe need few ingredients and less time to make, since I didn't use soy sauce, so this recipe more healthier than takeout. On a pan, add chopped garlic, ginger, onion and red chili, stir really well. Once the onion becomes soft and ginger aroma arise, then add some boneless chicken. When you cook chicken, make sure add some ginger because it will give better taste. Then add your favorite greens and stir for a minute. For the seasonings, I added salt, chili flakes, and pepper. Give a final stir, then it's ready to serve. If you're looking for a quick and satisfying meal, you're in the right place. With just a handful of ingredients and minimal prep, you'll have a mouth-watering dish that's perfect for busy weeknights. Next dish is for breakfast. High-protein bread toast for breakfast. Simple and delicious meal to start your day. To make this, on a pan add minced chicken, stir until the chicken cook well. Then add chili flakes, garlic powder, pepper, and soy sauce. Now give a good stir, then set it aside. On a toasted bread, add your favorite spread. I usually use spicy spread, then add the chicken and followed by fried egg, topped with some chili flakes. I tried to cut into half, but it turned out like this. I came up with another 15 minutes recipe. This is better than takeout. One of my favorite, quick recipe. On a pan, add chopped garlic, red chili, and chopped spring onion. Stir really well. Add fish bowl, stir for minute, then some boneless chicken, stir again. For the seasonings I added chili flakes and salt. You can add your favorite. See how simple this recipe is. It's only require few ingredients to make, and the taste was amazing. I really hope you try this recipe. This is simple recipe, and I used simple ingredients. I make it often because it's cheap and delicious. Next dish is we are going to make lazy and spicy egg. This recipe is simple and packed with flavor. This recipe just took me 10 minutes to make. I always make food that is simple and easy to cook, because everyone are rushing, but we still want to eat home-cooked food. On a pan add some chopped garlic and ginger, sauté until the aroma arise, then add some onion, red and green chilies, sauté again. Followed by add some minced chicken, stir until the chicken perfectly cooked. Now add some soy sauce, spicy Korean chili paste, and gochujang paste, stir really well, until everything are well combined. Now add some water and let it to boil. It's time to crack eggs. After adding the eggs, don't stir, just let it to cook. Finally garnish with some chopped spring onion and pepper. See how simple is this? This recipe required minimal ingredients and less time to cook. I hope you try this recipe. Enjoy cooking. This is simple recipe and I used simple ingredients. I make it often because it's cheap and delicious.